Cold start up on the Viper, guys.
Exhaust up here on this one?
Yeah, you're right. I did purchase the vet.
Horsepower Hobby.
Welcome back to Horsepower Hobby. If you're new to the channel, I am Torque, and thanks for tuning in to another episode of Horsepower Hobby. As you can see, I am in the 05 Cummins today. I'm going to go hang out with a buddy at his motorcycle shop, see what little shenanigans we can get into today. So come along with me. Before I go holler at my buddy, I need to take the 05 Cummins through the car wash. I've been neglecting it far too long. So let's get it cleaned up and we head on over to his shop. I decided to go through one of my favorite, the automatic car washes. It's very quick, very efficient for what I have going on, my busy lifestyle. But as you can see, they're spraying it off. Now here we go. The interior is not as bad today, so we're going to skip the vacuum, but I need to hop out and fix these tow mirrors. You know, when you're driving a big truck, you always got to ride with the tow mirrors out. Back in action and ready to ride. So I know you all remember this one, the 1200 horsepower GTO. Like I said, it is fixed now, and the beauty of it is for sale, so it can be one of yours. We'll figure out how much he's wanting for it and where he has it listed at here in a few. But I do believe today I may have the pleasure of taking this beauty out. That's a bad Viper. Cold start up on the GTR, guys. He's asking $85 for the GTR. Sweet price on it, especially for it being 1200 horsepower. Make me want it. Cold start up on the Viper, guys.
Exhaust up here on this one?
Yeah, you're right. Sweet ride. Guys, my first time in a Viper, and this thing is sick. Sounds sick too. Check it out. All red interior, or red and black, I guess, two-tone. Seats and all red. There's the pilot.
What's up, guys?
I'm trying to find a place where we can have some fun at least. Everybody knows when you're in a fast car, especially a supercar, they don't skip the fuel station. There it is. There's the setup, guys. Nice. Don't bad. Check it out, guys. All the carbon fiber weave on the hood. Whole hood is carbon fiber. That's sick. You see the cutout for the tire there. Just sitting there chilling, all that dirt. And this model here is the GTS. On the passenger side, let's get a view at it. There it is, guys, that Viper logo. A little bit of a tight fit getting in.
Vipers are very small. They don't have a lot of room in them. Totally different from a Corvette. Corvette's more of a driver-friendly car. This car is built more strictly for performance. Everything is a little more raw, a little more hardcore.
You can tell it's a very track-focused car, or race-focused car, rather. So what's the story behind this car?
So this is a 2013 Dodge Viper GTS. It's actually a 1 of 20 in the color combination. It's solid white with red interior. I looked for 2 years before I found this car. I bought it in Miami, Florida. I flew down, I drove it back 700 miles one way, and I've had it ever since. That was about 2 years ago. And this car is super special to me. I've got a couple different cars. All of them are for sale or can be bought, except this one. This is my favorite.
Hear that, guys? Won't be getting this one. But like I said, that GTR is for sale, and he said he's asking 85 grand for it.
85,000. The GTR is a lot faster than this car, but I don't know, it's just something about this car, the 6-speed manual transmission, the torque of the V10, you know, no matter where you hit the gas at, it's got tons of power.
So yeah, feels fun already, and we ain't even really got out there and played yet. So stay tuned. We're gonna go have some fun and bring you guys along with us. Sounds so sick. Bye-bye sunglasses. Just lost my sunglasses. This thing got some pull to it, guys. Those meaty tires, they come in handy. I don't know if you can see me, got a glare from the sun, but yeah, those meaty tires, they do come in handy. Looking 2500, guys. Makes my Cummins look like a baby Cummins. Thing lifted, it's nice. So the back seats recline, y'all. That thing's sick looking. So I hope you guys enjoyed that ride in the Viper there. I mean, it's a sweet car. I mean, it looks nice, and this thing gets on down the street. I mean, it just hooks and goes. But if you haven't already, check out my buddy's channel. It's more Mafia. I put a link to it down in the description below. And also, you got to check out his cool store here, Cycle Specialties. I mean, they have just about any kind of motorcycle or ATV need that you can imagine. I mean, very, very nice store. But if you haven't subscribed already, do hit that subscribe button, like button, and then push notification bell. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.